You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word pronounced as refined. Refined. Yeah, just like the word find. Yeah, do you know the verb to find? Well, it's the same with a r sound before. The stress is on the find syllable. Refined. Some say it more as refined with a more e sound. It's normally more of a schwa sound. Refined. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.